Today I'm showing you how to make the softest fluffest mandazi using sweet potatoes. You will love how soft they turn out inside. Just watch how they puff into oil and stay golden and light. Here I have 4 pieces of sweet potato, lemon, oil, sugar, baking powder, wheat flour, and water. I start by peeling my sweet potatoes. Always choose the soft ones, they cook faster and mash smoothly. After peeling, I wash them clean. I cut into small pieces so that they cook evenly and quickly. I press them into a pan. I add in right amount of water. I cover the cooking pot. I press them over the fire and let it boil until soft. You can check with a fork. If it enters easily, they are ready. Now our sweet potatoes are ready. I remove from the fire. I drain them from water. Then I start mashing them when they are hot. Smashing them while hot makes it easier. In a bowl, I measure 4 cups of wheat flour, that is 1 kilogram. Next, I add in a quarter kilogram of sugar, not too much, just enough for a light sweetening. Then I add 6 tablespoons of baking powder. This helps our mandazi rise and stay fluffy. I mix everything together. Then I zest in 1 lemon. Lemon zest brings a nice fresh smell and flavor to our mandazis. It also helps in preservation if you want them to stay for long. Then I mix well to combine. Now I add in the mashed sweet potatoes and mix to combine. The potatoes makes this mandazi soft and full of flavor. After that, I add 3 tablespoons of prestige margarine and mix again until it looks crumbly. Now I add 1¼ cups of water slowly, little by little. You don't need to pour all at once. We need soft, not sticky dough. Now I start kneading until the dough forms. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. When it starts forming, I add 7 spoons of cooking oil and knead again. The oil makes the dough smooth and gives a beautiful texture. I knead again for a few minutes until the dough feels soft. I cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 3 hours. Don't overrest it because sweet potatoes can make the dough so soft. I heat cooking oil in pan. The oil should be hot but not smoking. After resting, I check on my dough. That is how it looks. It is soft and smooth. Now I divide my dough into 2 large balls. I sprinkle flour on the surface. I roll the first one and cut into triangle shape. I gently press one by one in hot oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. I keep turning them on both sides so that they don't burn out. As they cook, I roll out the second bowl. I cut them into square shapes. Both look beautiful when served together. Once golden, I remove them from the oil. Then I fry another bunch. Then I end by frying the last bunch of square shape. Look how beautiful they look. And now look at this soft golden and fluffy. When press it bounces back. Look. These sweet potato mandazi are perfect for breakfast, tea time, or even snack during the day. Try them out, you will never go back to the plain mandazi again. Thank you so much for watching.